MaleMan delivers fast, private outsourced semen analysis, at-home collection with comprehensive lab testing and accurate results, from kit to report. Providers begin by simply ordering online through our secure portal. Kits are then shipped directly to patients in discreet packaging, ensuring confidentiality in every step. Thanks to our proprietary 30-hour semen stability preservative, patients can collect privately at home, eliminating the stress of in-office sample collection. After collection, patients pack the kit with their sample and prepaid overnight label, then drop it at any FedEx office. Once samples reach MES labs, our experts perform clinical-grade semen analysis with the advanced SQA vision, trusted by clinics worldwide. Results are available in as fast as 24 hours, securely stored in our HIPPA compliant portal with actionable reports ready to download and share. MaleMan. Its reference lab services, reinvented